Hi everyone, my name is Duncan, and today we are going to explore the Audio Technology Kit. We will look at what's included in the kit and how to use the items. The Audio Technology Kit includes tech and tech accessories for audio-based programming or general library use. This might include podcasting, interviews, streaming, and making music. This kit is available for member public libraries to borrow for up to 3 weeks to support programming. Borrowing the kit can also allow members to become familiar with the items before purchasing ones of their own. If needed, we do have a programming laptop available to borrow to use with the tech. However, all the tech included in the kit does work with PLS member library computers. Let's take a look at what's included in the kit. So inside the kit, you will find a resource folder, which will have instructions and recommendations on the contents. We have the Blue Yeti USB microphone, which includes a headphone splitter and a USB cord. There are 2 pairs of headphones, and these can be plugged into the computer or into the mic. This is the sound isolation box, which is kind of like a mini recording studio. So that is the base, and then there is foam that goes inside the base. In this case, we have an H1N Handy recorder, which is a field mic for recording on the go. There's a micro SD card and another USB cable. Let's go over how to use the items in the kit. The mic works with many popular programs including Audacity, GarageBand, and Zoom. The mic connects directly to your computer using a USB cord. Just plug it into the USB port on your computer and make sure that the input or recording setting is set to Yeti Stereo Mic. There are 2 pairs of headphones which can plug into your computer or the Yeti mic. This way you can listen back to what you are recording. We've included a headphone splitter which will allow for both pairs to plug into the microphone. Make sure that the output or the audio setting is set to Yeti Stereo Mic so that the playback sound will port through the mic headphones. The sound isolation box creates a mini recording space where users can place the mic directly inside and record projects with minimal external sounds. This would be great for users wanting to record a podcast or record their own music. Setting it up is very easy. You just open up the base and insert foam all along the sides. The end result is a portable sound booth that is big enough for the mic and will help to eliminate unwanted background noise. The Zoom H1 Handy recorder is a field mic, meaning you can record on the go without the restriction of computer cords. The recorder comes with a micro SD card where the audio files will be saved. Users do have the option to plug in headphones to hear playback from the mic. To record, hit the red record button to start and stop. Each time you record, a new file will be saved. There is a USB cord included to transfer audio files to a computer. When plugged in, open the USB drive and click into the stereo folder. Your audio files will live here as WAV files. The tech in this kit can be used for a wide range of activities. If you notice missing or damaged items, please contact myself or the consulting department, and we will see that they are replaced or dealt with. To pack up, please double check that all parts are returned to their boxes. A list of contents can be found in the inventory cost sheet linked on the kits page on the PLS website. In this kit, you can use the foam to pack the contents tightly before sending it back. Current borrowing procedures are listed on the PLS website. If you want to learn more about the kit or have ideas for other kits, you can contact me at dlatosky@peacelibrarysystem.ab.ca. Thanks.